Are you ready to get your independence back? To go where you want, when you want, without having to ask for a ride? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's a true game changer for so many people. Mobility scooters. But not just any scooters. I've spent weeks testing, riding, and really putting the top models through their paces to find the absolute best options for seniors. I am going to count down from my number 6 pick all the way to the number 1 scooter I'd recommend to my own family. So stick around.
Number 6. Ecomobi MS02 4 Wheels Mobility Scooter. When I first got this one out of the box, I was pretty impressed with a few things. The assembly was straightforward, which is always a plus. You get these 2 baskets, one on the front and a larger one on the back, which I found super convenient for running errands or just carrying your personal items. You can load it up with groceries or your favorite things, and you're good to go. It feels practical right from the start. The motor has a decent amount of power, a 350W motor to be exact, and on a flat, smooth surface like you'd find in a mall or a grocery store, it moves along just fine. The controls are intuitive, you've got a simple dial to adjust your speed, and you can just set it to a pace you're comfortable with. The seat is reasonably comfortable and it rotates, making it easier to get on and off without having to awkwardly shuffle around. For short trips on predictable terrain, it does the job. It's a scooter that promises convenience, and in some ways it delivers. But, and this is a big but, here's where I started running into some issues. While testing it outdoors, I took it up a slight incline in my driveway, and honestly, it felt a bit, tippy. It wasn't a steep hill by any means, but I could feel the stability wasn't quite what I had hoped for from a 4-wheel scooter. 5. Sugogo 4-wheel mobility scooter. The first thing that jumps out at you with the Sugogo is its weight. It's advertised as being lightweight and portable, and I have to say the frame does feel less cumbersome than many other models out there. The idea here is a scooter that you can easily take with you, one that doesn't require a whole production to get it into the trunk of a car. The materials feel solid, and the seat is surprisingly durable and soft, which is a nice touch for a scooter in this category. When you're riding it, the 4-wheel design does provide a decent sense of stability on flat ground. It's one of those scooters that feels straightforward and uncomplicated. The controls are simple, and it gets you from point A to point B without any fuss. I could see this being a really good fit for someone who needs a scooter for quick trips to the pharmacy or a ride around a local park on a sunny day. It's easy to use, and for many, that's a huge selling point. It fulfills the basic promise of getting you mobile again. However, during my testing, I started to notice some of its limitations. The biggest one for me was the battery range. Some configurations of scooters like this have a range of around 6.5 miles per charge, which, isn't a lot. If you're planning a longer day out, maybe a trip to a museum or a big shopping center, you might find yourself anxiously watching that battery indicator. 4. Scootngo mobility scooter for seniors. And this is where I feel like we're starting to get into some seriously impressive machines. The moment I started using the Scootngo, I just thought, wow, this is easy. I mean, from pulling it out of the box to getting it running, the process is incredibly user-friendly. You basically just turn the key and go. It's designed for people who don't want to fuss with complicated setups, and they've nailed that aspect of it. What really stood out to me during testing was the battery life. This thing just keeps going. I took it out for a long day of running errands, going from store to store, and the battery held up beautifully. That right there is a massive confidence booster. You stop worrying about being stranded and start actually enjoying the journey. The ride is also noticeably smoother. It handles sidewalks and even some grassy areas with a stability that the previous 2 scooters just didn't have. It feels planted, secure, and reliable under you. The seat is comfortable, the controls are responsive without being jumpy, and it has a fantastic turning radius. I could easily navigate it through crowded stores and tight corners without any trouble at all. It's nimble. You can tell that real thought was put into how people would actually use the scooter in their daily lives. It has a spacious feel, but it's still compact enough to be practical. One user even mentioned using it to walk their older dog, which perfectly captures the kind of freedom the scooter provides. Number 3 is the Lodstun 4-wheel mobility scooter. This is the Lodstun 4-wheel mobility scooter. If your life takes you on more than just perfectly paved paths, you need to listen up. The Lodstun is built to handle the real world. We're talking gravel paths, lawns, and uneven sidewalks. Its standout feature is its all-terrain performance, thanks to solid 8-inch puncture-proof tires. During my testing, I took it off the pavement and onto a grassy park trail, and it handled it with impressive stability. What gives you that confidence is not just the tires, but also the intelligent electromagnetic braking system. The moment you let go of the joystick or throttle, the scooter comes to a smooth, controlled stop. There's no jarring or lurching. This feature is incredible, especially when you're navigating ramps or small inclines. It gives you a sense of total control and safety, which is priceless. The scooter is also capable of climbing inclines up to 8 degrees, which is more than enough for most driveways and ramps you'll encounter. Despite its rugged build, the Lodstun is surprisingly portable. It features a foldable design that allows it to collapse down and fit into most car trunks. This makes it a fantastic travel companion for trips to the park, family visits, or even on an RV trip. It supports up to 300 pounds, so it provides a sturdy and secure ride for a wide range of users, giving you peace of mind. You don't feel like you're pushing the limits of the machine. Number 2, Metro Mobility 4-wheel powered mobility scooter. It takes the best elements of portability, comfort, and safety and combines them into one fantastic machine. When I was testing this scooter, the word that kept coming to mind was thoughtful. It feels like the designers really listened to what scooter users need and built a machine to match. One of the standout features is its suspension and wheel design. It has large 9-inch back wheels and, most importantly, rear anti-tip wheels. This is a huge safety feature. When you're going up a ramp or a small hill, those anti-tip wheels give you an incredible sense of security, preventing the scooter from tilting backward. The rear suspension also does a great job of smoothing out the ride, so you're not feeling every single bump and crack in the pavement. It's a comfortable and confidence-inspiring ride. The Metro Mobility is also highly adjustable, which is key for long-term comfort. You can adjust the height of the swivel seat, flip up the armrests, and even adjust the angle of the steering tiller. This means you can truly customize the fit to your body, which makes a world of difference on longer rides. It's designed to fit you, not the other way around. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds and a top speed of 4.7 miles per hour, it has the power and strength to suit most users. Portability is another area where the scooter shines. It disassembles into 4 lightweight, easy-to-handle pieces. 1. AXADA Mobility Scooter for Adults. This scooter took everything I liked about the other models and perfected it. From the moment I sat on it, the AXADA just felt premium. It combines power and exceptional range, superior comfort, and rock-solid build quality that puts it in a class of its own. Let's start with the performance. The AXADA offers an incredible travel range, which is a total game changer. You can genuinely go out for the entire day and not even think about the battery. This is the ultimate freedom. It's powered by a robust motor that provides smooth yet powerful acceleration, and it handles inclines with absolute ease. There is no hesitation, no straining, just smooth, consistent power when you need it. The ride is exceptionally stable, giving you the confidence to navigate a variety of terrains. Comfort is where the AXADA truly excels. The seat is generously padded and ergonomically designed, providing support in all the right places. But it's the little things too. The scooter is designed with ample legroom so you never feel cramped. The intuitive control panel is easy to read in any light, and the scooter features bright, energy-efficient LED headlights for safe travel in the early morning or evening. It's clear that every aspect of the user experience has been carefully considered. Portability is also surprisingly good for such a sturdy scooter. While it has a heavy-duty frame and a high weight capacity, it can be disassembled, making it manageable for travel. Final thought. So there you have it, my complete breakdown of the best mobility scooters for seniors. I hope this has helped you figure out which option is right for you. All the products are linked in the description below. What are your experiences with mobility scooters? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.